So you've probably heard the expression many times, sitting is the new smoking. Okay, yeah, I get the concept of it. Now, to me, there's nothing wrong with sitting. I'm sitting right now making this video. I'll be sitting at home later to eat. I'll be sitting to work. We are sitting all the time. Now, the main question is, what do we do when we out training, moving around and not sitting? This is extremely important. And today, at the end of this video, what I would like to get is for you to get an understanding of why certain type of training or movement are not efficient at all for the sitting position, meaning that it's not getting out of the sitting position. And second, I will give you an alternative of a specific movement we're going to be talking today so that you can incorporate that in your training easily, anywhere, at home, at the gym, or anywhere you feel like training. So let's get started. So for today, I want to talk about abdominals. And in particular, the movement I see a lot is the crunches. When you lay down on your back and you do the crunches, bringing your head towards your knees, okay? Think about it. We are sitting a lot and gravity kicks in. Even you behind your screen, you have the gravity as well. So what happens is we here and we tend to close here, all right? What happens when you do your crunches is that you're concentrated, tensing your abdominal, and this is the end motion you do when you finish contracting, meaning that you're going back into this dysfunctional or inefficient position of contracting the abdominals, okay? So this is not going to help you. If you look at this fascia line I have put here, this is the front line. Optimally, you want your abdominals to be in a lengthened position. And this is what I want to help you with today. In order to feel your abdominals, to feel your core, but with a neutral spine. I talked about that in previous videos. For this movement, I'm going to show you now how I would recommend you, I would invite you to do your abdominals in a more optimal way that would get you out of the sitting position. Let's get started. Okay, so for the alternative to the crunches, this is what we're going to do. So these are the crunches. We agree? Okay. So what we're going to do now is like a closing and opening up. Okay, grab my neck, elbows together. I'm going to close here and then move up in this position, opening my arms, getting my shoulder down and making sure that my back is nice and flat and my thoracic cage is open. You see now, this, I bring my belly button in, now my abdominals are contracting in a lengthened position. So you see I'm shaking now, and then I'm gonna roll back in, up, to protect the spine and roll back down. So, two things you need to know. I'll come back. First thing is, the further away you are, the easier it gets. Oh, nice sound, that wasn't me by the way. The easier it gets, okay? The closer, the more difficult it gets. That sounds logical. Now, there's a few things you need to pay attention to. Your lower back, if you have lordosis or to have a tendency to have a curved lower back, don't go up and curve this lower back a lot. I can't do it, but some people have like strong curve and they lean on it with the belly poaching out. Don't do that. Make sure that when you come at the end here, that you're really rolling and bringing this belly button in and extending the spine. This is another part, very important, the extension of the spine. Stay here for some time with the shoulder down and relax, and then roll the spine again. So it's like closing, explosive up, and then close down and roll back. And again, it's not a matter of doing 10 sets, 3 sets of 10, 2 sets of 5. No, do as many as you can and as clean as you can. Ideally, you have a mirror, and if you don't, just pass your hand at the back and just make sure you bring your belly button in and try to extend this thoracic cage, all right? See, sometimes you don't have to make big changes to feel the benefit. If this was good, I will put another video here for you to start working on the planking and a more optimal planking as well. If that video was good for you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you want to support the channel, there's a link below in the description. Until then, stay tuned and keep training and keep bringing this energy up. Take care.